Alright guys, today we're going to be building the model Golden Gate Bridge. Connects architecture. Let's get right into it. Now we are going to add these two pieces together that we have right here. Got this piece. We're just gonna link these guys right up. It's very basic, very extremely easy to do. If you can't do that, I don't know what, but you can do, you know. So you guys may have come up to a point where you have this thing, but it wants you to get another one. So what do? You just gotta have them both ready, so that way that you're ready to work with them, like so. So when you're working on one of them, work on both of them at the same exact time. Just like last time, you're gonna have to repeat this step twice. So we got this one tower here, and but you need a second tower. Just like magic, we have two towers now. You just have to repeat the steps of the book, or do the same things twice as you read them.